So in today's video, we explain how to use sea salt, bay leaf, candle, and coconut to break curse, a family curse. So this bay leaf, you need 16 pieces of bay leaf, dried one. You write breakthrough on each leaf. So light the candle. Place the candle in your bucket of water. Then light the candle. Take one bay leaf and you say your intention. Intention of to break family curse. Then burn it with that candle light. Do not use any other light to burn the bay leaf. Burn on all the leaves with different intention or multiple intention. One leaf, one intention. After you burn it, break the coconut. Use the water of that coconut to quench the fire. Then add 2 spoons of sea salt to it. Add water to it. Leave it for 24 hours.